how much do you bench? Welcome back to the Magma Cooking channel. And as you see, today I'm going to cook. So Magma Cooking is come back, alright? And today I'm going to cook Sprout and Bean Seedlings. Okay, let's start.
Okay, then first take out the bean seedlings out of the package and then cut it as this. Alright, and take out some beans, then wash it. Okay, wash. Alright, wash it. Okay, then next I'm going to wash the sprouts. Alright, okay, open the package, put into the bowl because I don't have the plastic bowl, so use this instead of it. Okay, wash. Woohoo.
Okay, let's start. Alright. First, let's put the olive oil into the pot. Alright. Nice. Okay, then let's put the sprout into the pot. I feel scared, so as you see, haha. Alright, sprout. Okay. Oh, never mind. Then let's put some pepper and salt into the pot. Then bean seedlings. Then also pepper and salt. Then chicken ski, as you see. Yes, this one chicken ski, right? Okay. Then let's have it a try. So that tastes good. So that's a little bit of chicken ski. Okay. Then let's give it a try more. A little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, let's have a try. Now it looks okay. Let's give it finally a try. Nice.